And welcome back. This is going to be a continuation on video number 14 on signals and slots. I wanted to show how you can actually use a class or an instance of a class and using the signals and slots and how the object would be tracked. So instead of me recreating the entire project all over again, I just created another project and did some copy and pasting. Basically what you have here is the global function, and that's what we did in the first tutorial on signals and slots. And what you have after that is a class, a real simple class that contains a method. And if you don't know the difference between a function and a method, a function is, as I have stated earlier, an independent, or a function is just a group of statements, and it's not part of any object. It stands on its own. A method, on the other hand, is a function basically that is part of an object, or in this case a class, which an object is an instance of that class. So what you have is the same function is just inside of a class. And as you can see, all I did was declare that class and create an object called C, and then enable to connect this now object and use its quit method as our slot. You just pass in the actual object itself, and then you pass in the address of the method of that class. And as you can see, my class and the method quit. And then basically you're done. And now you can keep track of the object and the method of that object for as long as it exists. And if we were to do this right here, called delete, and then the actual pointer to C, that would delete our object and it would no longer be tracked. But in our case, we don't want to do that. All we want to do is just show that we actually connected this object and the address of the method that we want to use, and it's the same procedure. Let me see if I can find. There's our application. It's already up and running. Same thing. Here's our server, and if we click on quit, it kills our session. And if you look at the bottom of the left hand corner on the console window, you have Woody session destroyed, sessions equal to 1. And if we do a refresh, look in the top left hand corner this time, it wasn't in the right hand corner last time, you can see destroyed you can see that our session was actually created, so now we have 2 sessions. But that's because I did not destroy the previous session. So if we click, so as you can see, I just restarted the session. It's asking me the application to stop. Would you like to restart? Click on OK. And now our session has been restarted. So as you can see, that's how you create a class and create an object of that class. And then that's how you can actually connect a slot, which in this case would be our method of this class. You just pass in the object that was created and then the address of the method of that class. And that's pretty much it. It's the same thing as our quit method. It has a mouse event parameter, as you can see here, and I just did it all in line. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.